Hello everyone, welcome to AfroHealthBridge, where we make health information simple, practical, and useful for every African family. Today we are talking about something many people only think about when they have a terrible toothache: cleaning and polishing your teeth. Many people believe brushing alone is enough. But is it? Did you know that taking care of your teeth may also help protect your heart? Dental cleaning is a special treatment done by a professional. It removes things that your toothbrush simply cannot reach. It removes sticky plaque, hard tartar, food stains, and harmful bacteria hiding around your gums. After cleaning, the dentist polishes your teeth to make them smooth and shiny, which helps slow down the buildup of plaque. Brushing every day is vital, but even the best toothbrush cannot reach every corner. Over time, plaque becomes hard like stone, called tartar. When gums are infected, bacteria can enter your bloodstream. Research shows severe gum disease is linked to heart disease and stroke. Keeping your mouth healthy helps reduce inflammation in your body and supports a healthier heart. Your mouth is the doorway to your body. Across Africa, many use traditional chewing sticks. When clean and used correctly, these can help reduce germs and have great value. At AfroHealthBridge, we believe traditional knowledge and modern medicine can work together to protect your beautiful smile. Protect your health, like and share this video to help others, and subscribe for more trusted health information made for Africa.